Hello everyone. Today I'm making shrimp soups with mixed vegetables. The vegetables I grow in our garden doesn't need to buy. So if you are interested to see how I cook them, please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. So I have a pound shrimp here. To make it not smelly, I soak it in lemon juice and salt. And here are the vegetables from the garden. I have Vietnamese kind, but if you don't have the one like I have, you can substitute with spinach, sweet chard. It will be lovely. This is called mixed vegetable because any vegetables you have, you can throw in this soup. I have my skillet heated and I added some oil. Now I saute a little garlic in it. You need only 2-3 cloves of garlic, and I added the shrimps and wait until they are orange and chalk the other side. Then I flip them over and wait until they dry on this side. And as a result, you will smell wonderfully. That means your shrimp cooked and charred. This is my first method of sauteing the shrimp. You come along, I will have another way to cook it without sauteing. Now into the pot I added some trimmed vegetables that I trim like I eat cucumbers. I cut off the two ends. I sliced carrot the same way, and onions, especially yellow or white onion. The outer layer of the onions I also save for this stock. So after I cook the shrimp and the vegetables for 15-20 minutes, I strain the broth and bring back to the boil. And when it's boiled, now is the time to rub the vegetables in. And you make sure you submerge your vegetable into the broth. That way you will keep the green color of your vegetables. And I will cook it for 5 minutes, and it's tender enough for me. If you want it softer, you can go further for 10 minutes. And that's it. We are ready to eat. You see, so easy and a lot of nutrition and fibers, because you eat vegetables that are fibers right there. If you cook this soup and you eat it, you will feel very good inside, because it's like they heat your body. If you feel dry, hot at some time, then you eat this soup. And And right now I lay my shrimps on top to make it more attractive. But yeah, don't forget to bring up some of the vegetables, because the vegetables are very important in this soup. It makes you feeling and um, make you feel good inside. And that's it. Now I go into the second method that I use my homemade, ready homemade stock. Normally I cook my vegetable trimmings with bones, chicken bones, pork bones, and I always have the chicken stock on hand. So when you have that, you bring it to the boil and you drop your shrimp in. This way, the stock is as flavorful as the first method. Either ways is okay. So when the shrimp is cooked through, I remove it. I don't want to cook too much shrimp because the texture of the shrimp will be destroyed and the nutrition in the shrimp um, disappear into the broth. And now again I add the vegetable in. This time I have you see the white pieces there. That is the gourd that I showed you earlier in the video. I grow that in our garden as well, and it's a wonderful vegetable because it's make the broth, your broth is so flavorful and sweet. And after that, you taste your vegetable and decide you want to cook it longer or short. I normally cook for 5 minutes, and the tenderness is good for me. For both methods, I re-season the stock with fish sauce and salt. That's it. Because the stock and the shrimp and the vegetable give the broth the sweetness it deserves. So I don't need to do anything. No MSG, no chicken powder or anything. And that's it. We have the soup to eat now. If you don't want to eat it with rice, normally in Vietnam they eat it, they serve this soup with rice. But you don't want to eat rice, you can just eat it alone like this. And if somebody follow keto diet, they would approve. I don't believe keto so much, but this time I don't eat rice with it. I just eat the soup alone because I have a lot of soup for one serving, so I don't need more rice. If you familiar with Vietnamese cuisine and Vietnamese culture, in our traditional meal, normally we have 4 components for a meal. First, steamed rice. The second, soup. The third is a stew or a fry, whatever, but it's a main course like fish fry or pork stew, something like that. And the four component is sauteed vegetables or steamed vegetables. So I said four components to make a complete meal in Vietnam. But to me, I live in a modern time, so I ignore all that things and I cook one pot meal. For example, for today, I just cook the soup and that's it. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Bye bye.